Hello and welcome, Greg here from Wrexham Volkswagen, sharing with you this latest arrival. Today it's the turn of this striking looking Ford Mondeo Estate, available here in the sporty ST-Line. Finished in grey metallic colour and powered by a 2-litre TDCi turbo diesel engine, it's got lots going for it. Other great features will also incorporate stylish anthracite grey alloy wheels, as well as a cavernous load area in the back, and that's even before you folded down the rear seats in a 60/40 split. A quick glimpse in the front will also offer decorative door and dash inserts, part digital instrument cluster, as well as front bucket sport seats. The driver can utilize this multifunction leather-wrapped steering wheel, operating cruise control and various other functions, and the color displays up ahead are also quite easy to operate. It will display all the various trip information, and there are a number of driver assist functions to help utilize every drive. In the center of the console, the Ford Sync navigation system is a joy to use. It will have everything you'd want, with various media sources such as DAB digital radio and an easy-to-use 2-zone climate control system. You can also easily pair your phone, utilize the sat-nav to make sure you never get lost, and you can also connect your mobile devices. There's even an adjustable sound system for the music fans amongst you, and you'll be pleased to know both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone projections are available. Also, moving down the cabin, that 2-zone climate control system can easily be operated via physical shortcuts and even benefits from a heated front windscreen, ideal for the frosty months ahead of us.